Hi guys, Ray Gretsch, Gypsy Barman here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite, the Espresso Martini. So, always got to start with a nice espresso, vodka, all in 30ml measurements, coffee liqueur, feel free to use Kahlua, and a little bit of a tip. Most people will use sugar syrup, I don't like to. I like a little bit of Butterscotch Schnapps. Now, when you're making an Espresso Martini, you've got to shake it hard, fast, until you get a nice bit of cold on the tin there. So we're still not done. Always chill your martini glass. This drink was invented in a bar in London. The lady that asked for it asked for a drink that would wake her up and fuck her up. So here we are. And what you'll find with this one, as it settles, you'll get a beautiful crema on top. Always have to garnish with your coffee beans, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So here's cheers and enjoy. And if you want to book the Gypsy Barman at your local party, follow us on our socials below. Cheers.